Hello everybody, in this lesson I will discuss another exam question on the exponential function. Question 2. The graph of f of x is equal to 1 plus a times 2 to the x, where a is a constant, passes through the origin as shown in the diagram. And remember, the origin's coordinate is the point 0 and 0. 2.1. Show that a's value is equal to negative 1. Therefore, we will start with the equation. F of x is 1 plus a times 2 to the x. And then the only point we have is the origin, which is the point 0, 0. And now I'm going to substitute in x and in y's place the 0. Therefore, 0 equals 1 plus a times 2 to the 0. In x and y's place, I substituted a 0. And then anything to the 0 is 1. And then I will solve a. So the 1 will walk across and I end with negative 1. Therefore, a's value is negative 1. And then question 2. Determine the value of f minus 15 corrected to decimal places. What does this mean? This means f minus 15 means inside your equation, everywhere in x's place, you substitute minus 15. Now, our equation is f of x is equal to minus 2 to the x. Now, let me show you where that comes from. Remember, our equation was f of x is 1 plus a times 2 to the x. And then we calculated that a's value was negative 1 times 2 to the x, and this becomes 1 minus 2 to the x. That's where I got that one from. Now back to the sum. Therefore, f minus 15 is equal to 1 minus 2 to the power of negative 15. And you slot all of that into your calculator and you end with y is equal to 0.99. 2.3. Determine the value of x if P is the point x 0,5 lies on the graph of f. So what this means, there's your graph of f, your equation for the graph, and that means in y's place, you're going to substitute 0,5, and that is f of x. Therefore, 0,5 is equal to 1 minus 2 to the x. Let the 1 walk across. We end with 0,5 minus 1, which is minus 0,5. And then minus 0,5 is the same as negative a half, and you can divide right through by a negative. Therefore, a half is equal to 2 to the x, and a half is the same as 2 to the negative 1 is equal to 2 to the x. And then you can say bases are the same, therefore x is equal to negative 1. 2.4. If the graph of f is shifted 2 units to the right to give the function h, write down the equation of h. And that means h will be 1 minus 2 to the x minus 2. So you will just add a negative 2 there on the x. Have you subscribed yet? In the next lesson, I will discuss another examination question on the exponential function. Click on the video in the left-hand corner to take you straight to the next lesson.